With penultimate episode of season 5 is almost here, and with just one episode left after this, the stakes feel higher than ever. The last trailer hint that Homelander may have fully stabilized after taking B1, meaning the side effect many accepted might not happen at all. Is that true? Because we looking at the most dangerous version of Homelander yet. The trailer opens with Homelander standing alone at the top on boat tower, staring out across the city. The framing of the silhouette feels intentional. Every chair around him is empty, making it seem like he the last true member of the seven remaining. At almost symbolize that he finally achieved what he always wanted, ultimate power of possibly immortality, but at the cost of everyone around him. By his point, the team had completely fallen apart. Black Noir is gone, Firecracker appear, finished the deep and depressed, and Sister Sag may have turned against him. Even Soldier Boy is now here to be seen in the trailer, which raises major question about where his loyalties now stand. One possibility is that Soldier Boy may regret helping Homelander. Earlier in the season, Homelander continuously weighing himself and weaker because he lacked immortality. Now that he potentially has it, he may begin seeing Soldier Boy as a threat instead of a father figure. After all, Soldier Boy still has the ability to remove the power entirely, which means he remaining one of the few people capable of stopping Homelander. Because of that, I would not be surprised if Homelander tries to eliminate him or lock him away again before he become a problem. Another important moment in the trailer saw Homelander looking over the city from Watt Tower. The scene given the impression that he no longer wants to control the country from the shadows. Instead, he went completely authority. The final shot of him sitting in the Oval Office support that idea perfectly. He looks calm, confident, and completely in control, almost like he now see himself as untouchable. The trailer also include a speech of father about there being no room for heresy in this new world. That line suggested that anyone who refused to follow Homelander Cloud become an enemy of the state. The environment being created around him feel like a political control and like a full authorization remaining built on fear and worship. One storyline that looking especially interesting is the deep after killing back Noir. He may have crossed a line that even Homelander won't forgive. Homelander was always viewed the expendable, and talking about another member of the Seven Cloud easily make him a target. At the same time, the Deep is also dealing and the of supporting the oil pipeline project that reportedly caused massive destruction to marine life. The trailer saw him isolated near the ocean, almost like he has now here left to be alone. He no longer safe on land, and now even the sea may turn against him. There also a shot that appeared to show him struggling underwater, which cloud hinted at the sea creature team's lives eventual related against him. Honestly, that would feel like a fitting conclusion for his character. Elsewhere in the trailer, Doc Note and Silene are showing attacking a crowd confidently room, causing completely chaos. At the same time, character for like Marie and Jordan appear, which suggests the story may verify shift toward Godling University. It also looking like Starlight and Mother Milk will be trying to contain the situation. Be Butcher pushed the team forward despite everything falling apart. One of the biggest moments come when we say we lost. That line likely refers to the realization that Homelander survived the V1 process and is now stronger than ever. Butcher then respond and the speech about dragging everyone across the finishing line no matter the cost, which strongly hint that major dates could happen before the season end. Almost